Good morning, everyone. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning, everyone. Time check 4:08. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday today, 10th of June. Ayan, mahangin. May hangin dito. Malakas ang hangin. Naririnig niyo ba yung ugong? Hangin, no? And the weather for today is about 13 degrees. Pero mahangin lang. Kaya malamig. So, even though 13 degrees, but it's windy, so mahangin pa rin. Malamig pa rin, I mean. Ayun lang, everyone. See you after 15 minutes more. Pero medyo pag-alang ko ngayon kasi maaga akong lumabas. Ayun lang, everyone. See you when I see you. Bye. At the moment, no rocket, kaya uwi tayo ng hindi. Bili pala ako ng isda. Yan ang ulamin namin ni nanay. Ngayon tanghalian ng everyone. See when I see everyone. Hi everyone! Dito mayroong pork salad, pork potatoes, and then ano nga yung binibili ni Sister Jocelyn? Burritos. Hindi, duck. Yung itlog ng pato. Ayun Ayan. Yan, tray. And then, food festival dito. Tuesday. Every Tuesday pala, food market. Hindi pala festival. Ayan. Order here. Different food. And then, this one. Paella, 10 pounds. Pero hindi pa luto. What time are you going to cook the paella?
What time are we going to cook it?
Yeah.
Cook it now, be ready in about an hour and a half.
Okay.
Well, you wanted it for breakfast, did you?
No, not for breakfast. For lunch. Okay, thank you. Veggies.
10 pounds, hindi tayo.
Paso mo, tagal. Seafood sa'yo. Ako, veggies. Gumagawa ako niyan dati.
Wala na sito na sali.
Good morning everyone. Dito yung bus stop ng 70. Pero I'm not going there. I'm gonna walk because I'm going to the bank. I need to report some scammer that getting my money in the bank. So I need to do some because I cannot do it in online banking. Yeah. So I need to walk here. Going to going there. Going there, somewhere there. Somewhere down the road. I know this coming. Ayan o. Hanggang yung trabaho ko doon sa umaga. So, pagpunta ka ng High Street, ayan, lakad-lakad lang para do pakita ko sa inyo, flex ko sa inyo mga bahay dito na mga mala mansion at mala, pero mala, what tawag dito, mala kondong mababa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang 5th floor lang. Meron naman na sobrang taas, yung ganon. So, yun lang everyone. At ako ay maglakad-lakad. While ang bukas kasi is 9:30. So, better maglakad rather than to take a bus. Saglit lang kasi malapit lang yan, dito lang. Bye at the moment. So I'm going home, everyone. Going to Jubilee Line. So, dito tayo sa bandang una. Kasi yeah. Time check is 10:30, so hindi na. Medyo hindi na busy. 1 minute. In 1 minute, the train is coming, everyone. Loaded. Load. It's the loaded. Time check, 11:15. Okay. Grabe na to. Oh, namalengke kasi ng pangtanghalian. Gusto ko ng isda at craving sa tortang talong, everyone. I'm gonna flex later sa inyo para baka mag-craving din kayo ng ganitong pagkain. So, at least makatulong ako. I'm hungry, really, really, really hungry. So, that's it. Flex ko ang magagandang rose. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? Para na akong pumunta ng Holland Park. Sa dami ng mga bulaklak dito sa aking mga nadadaanan, everyone. So, see you later at may masasalubong akong mga hindi ko kilala. Ito, everyone, may neighbor ako na bagong tanim ang lavender. Oh, diba? Pero mamumulaklak yan. So, pag may bulaklak na, may buko na kasi, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo ulit. Hello! Tapos yun pa. Hi! Yeah! Filming the flowers. Yeah! Like this. Yun lang everyone. Pakita ko sa inyo next time pag may bulaklak na yun. Buko pa eh. See you when I see you. Dito na ako sa bahay. Kain tayo. Dapat tortang talong. Wala pala akong itlog. So, ayun. Naging pritong talong na lang. Ha?
Ewan ko kung may itlog.
Time check. 15:23 everyone. So, ayun. Pasok tayo sa panggabi. Hindi man ako nakatulog. Hindi ako charge ng cellphone niya, pero yung sarili hindi, kasi ah, sorry. nanood ako ng YouTube, tsaka konti na lang naman yung almost, marami kasi akong ginawa. Nagtupi, nagsampay, ayun, tapos nag-lunch kami ni nanay, nagluto, mag-lunch, and then that's it. Kasi bukas may extra naman. So yun lang everyone, see you later everyone. Last train everyone.
Between the train and the platform. This is Finchley Road. This is a Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate. The next station is Baker Street.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm nearly here at the ayan.
The assignments for that I don't care. For hours now.
I am the first. Hi Richard. I'm fine and you? Going home everyone. For the last train. Thank you for the overseer. Good evening everyone. Dinner tayo. Dinner tayo everyone. Time check is 9:32 na. Kain na tayo. Day, at baka maaga na naman bukas gigising. Sorry. So, ayun lang. Kain lang.